How do you turn ordinary TV into better TV? Simple. You just need to know what buttons to push. When you help bring interactive TV to life for more people around the world, you get to know their hot buttons. And 50 million viewers around the globe are certainly not wrong. They're living proof. Television doesn't have to be so remote. They've discovered iTV is simply better TV. So the next time you consider what motivates millions to shop, play, bet, bank, communicate, respond, click, and stick around, be assured, it's the experience.